In a world driven by innovation and technology, there is one job that remains timeless, essential, and dominant. Welcome to the world of farming, the biggest job on earth.
फंगस फसल में लग जाए तो फसल खत्म ही हो जाती है बिल्कुल.
As the population continues to grow, so does the demand for food. Have you ever paused to consider the origins of the food that graces your plate?
अगर आलू ना हो ना तो खाद्यान्न की पूर्ति भी नहीं हो पाने की. अच्छी चीज पैदा करनी पड़ती है मार्केट में. अगर आलू आपका अच्छा है, सफेद है, दिखने में चमकीला है, साइज ठीक है, तो आपका जातों के साथ ही और 2 रुपए महंगा बिकेगा. चूक गए तो दिक्कत नहीं. वायरस आ जाएगा, ब्लाइट आ जाएगी.
Farmers face numerous challenges, from climate change to the presence of multiple diseases and pests, which pose a major threat to production, impacting the quality of produce and yield. BASF's commitment to sustainable agriculture in India is evident in its cutting-edge products and technology. Downy mildew is a highly destructive disease that poses a significant threat to grapevines in grape-growing regions worldwide. If left unaddressed, this disease can result in a complete loss of crops reaching up to 100%. But in the face of adversity, there is hope. BASF Acrobat, the most trusted partner for grape and potato growers for many years, consistently demonstrating its commitment to farmers all across the country. Acrobat, a systemic translaminar fungicide for the control of downy mildew and late blight.
एग्रोवेट लगाने के बाद में हमारी जो फसल है बिल्कुल स्वस्थ है और इसमें ना ही कोई फंगस है और ग्रोथ बढ़िया है.
With nearly 2 decades of unwavering dedication and hard-earned trust, Acrobat has served as the steadfast pillar of reliability for fruit and vegetable farmers across India, and will continue to be the enduring symbol of trust and quality for decades to come. BASF is deeply committed to sustainable agricultural practices through its innovation, dedication, and a vision for a brighter and more prosperous future in farming. And say with confidence, farming, the biggest job on earth.
BASF. We create chemistry.